How to clean a hairbrush. With proper maintenance, a brush used every day should last between 1 and 3 years. Watch this video for easy care tips and the best way to clean hairbrushes. What you need: brush, comb, toothbrush, glass bowl large enough to fit brush, gentle shampoo, towel. Follow these steps. Remove hair from your brush every time you use it. Hold the brush in one hand while grasping a comb in the other. If the comb has a pointed handle, hold the teeth and run the point of the handle through the bristles a few times to dislodge and remove any hair. Alternately, you can use the teeth of the comb to remove hair, raking them through the bristles and lifting the hair up and out. Shampoo your hairbrush. Once a month or so, shampoo your hairbrush to remove dirt, oil, and any built-up hair products. Holding the handle, swirl the head of the brush around in a bowl of warm water. Next, put a few drops of gentle shampoo on the bristles of a toothbrush and use the toothbrush to scrub the bristles and base of the hairbrush. Rinse the brush by swirling it around in a bowl of clean water. Don't soak your hairbrush in water as that could harm its cushion and any wooden parts. Dry hairbrush overnight. Place the clean, wet brush on a dry towel with the bristles facing down to dry overnight.